Mundo will answer phone when Mundo pleases. Who is calling Mundo now? Oh, Mundo's price for being so popular. Mundo likes saying Mundo. Mundo likes phone saying Mundo. Why not everybody say Mundo? Mundo confused. Mundo hear, but Mundo also hear himself coming from little phone singy. Oh, Mundo getting headache. Mundo think he be better choice for phone voice than Siri. She got nothing on Mundo. Hey, it's me, Mundo. Answer your phone. Maybe it guy from TV network calling to say you got new reality show. Answer your phone. Answer it. Hey, it's me, Mundo. Answer your phone. It going to keep ringing till you answer it. Answer the phone. Mundo.